What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you one amazing trading tip and strategy you can use to easily find the bottom and find the top. That allows you to easily enter and exit trades almost stress free. So it's going to be a really good video today. I think it's going to be very beneficial to many people indeed. Not only that guys, but if you did watch yesterday's video, I actually put this out on the chart saying that I believe Bitcoin will come down to this price, and if it does, you should potentially buy, and it could get rejected at this price. Well, Bitcoin was around here as of filming yesterday. The price came all the way down to here, just below $6,000. It then bounced from there back up to the target exit point at around $6,400. So I was actually right in yesterday's video, and if you did take that trade, let me know down in the comments. But guys, if you haven't already, welcome back to another video. Of course, don't forget to smash up those likes. If we can hit 500 on this video, we so nearly hit it yesterday, so it would be great if we could hit it on today's video. Not only that, make sure to subscribe so you stay notified when I post my next video with the notification bell ticked. And guys, at the end of today's video there will be the giveaway for the Trezor storage device, as it's a Monday, so that will be happening at the end of the video. If you did want to enter next week's giveaway for the Trezor storage device or the equivalent in Bitcoin, leave your comments down below. You can literally comment anything and you'll be entered automatically. So guys, let's jump into the video. Today's video is not going to be about the Bitcoin price. I'm going to be going over a really cool and unique trading strategy that I have taught in the past on my YouTube channel, but that was a couple of years ago, and I'm going to bring it back to life and put a new twist on it that could be very useful for you guys when trading. So definitely stick around for today's video. It's going to be a good one. So let's ignore the current Bitcoin price for now. We're not too interested in that in today's video, and let's go over to a blank sketching pad. Now this strategy is called the blue, green, yellow, red strategy, and it is to do with moving averages. If you have been subscribed for a while, or you've even seen this video, a lot of you guys comment on my videos saying do an updated version of that, so that is coming today in this video. So basically what the blue, green, yellow, red strategy is we take 4 different moving averages. What we do, if I can just get the pen here, we got blue. This will be the 8 moving average. We have the green, like so. This will be the 13 moving average. We have the yellow, which will be the 21, like so. And then we have the red, which will be the 55. Now you may be thinking, Jack, are you just pulling these numbers from your head? Well, actually I'm not. These are the Fibonacci series numbers, and they're actually in a sequence. We can see here 8, 13, 21, 55, 34 you can include if you want as well, but for this video I'm going to be including the 8, 13, 21 and 55. So when we have these numbers, what are we going to be looking for on the chart? Now guys, you've got to stay with me at this point. It could seem a little tedious, or you may be a bit confused, but trust me, stick with me, because this trading technique is going to blow your mind. So first of all, on the chart, what we're looking for is a blue, green, of course you can guess what's next, yellow, and then we are looking for red. Now each one of these represents a different moving average. The blue represents the 8, the 13 represents the 13, of course, the yellow represents the 21, and the red represents the 55. Now we are going to be using this on the 1-day chart, so each of these will represent 8, 13, 21 and 55 day moving averages. So if we come over on to the Bitcoin price right now, what we're actually going to be doing is coming up to indicators, and we're going to be searching for EMA. And we can see here for EME, and you want this one by Phil. It's got around 5,000 to 6,000 likes. Simply click that like so. And then what this is going to do, it's going to bring this up on your chart. Now what you want to do for this is go over here in the settings, just below Bitcoin, click on the settings here and click on settings. Now we need to have these set out properly. Basically what we want to do is we want to get the colors correct. So the first one we have blue, we then want to have green, we then want to have yellow, we can take this, and then we want to have red. Now we need to go ahead and change the inputs. So now we want, if we go back over here, we want 8, 13, 21 and 55. So 8, 13, 21, and 55. So that is correct there. Now, if you're thinking, okay, that's a little bit difficult to read, just go over to the settings, go into style, and click on here, and you can actually make them a bit thicker, which can be very, very useful. So as we are making them a little bit easier to see, like so, and click OK. Now, what are we going to do here? Well, we're going to get into a strategy where you can easily trade using these figures. But first of all, guys, I did want to let you know about the Bitcoin Blueprint 2.0. If you do like these trading tactics and you want to learn more advanced trading techniques that can help you profit trading every single day, then check out the Bitcoin Blueprint 2.0. The link will be down below in the description. There's literally hundreds of profitable traders inside there, and you can be the next one indeed. If you did want an A to Z guide on how to trade profitably on cryptocurrency, everything packaged in one, you just have to go through it, and then out the other end, hopefully you will become a profitable trader. That will be linked down below, and there's currently a $100 discount going on, so don't miss out. Even if you're watching this and the discount isn't on, it's still an amazing price for the information that you receive, and you can easily make it back when trading. So now we are on this, we're going to take a little bit of a look. If you do see that these lines are a little bit faint, you can actually go in here and just increase the color saturation like so, and that will actually bring them to life a little bit more, and the opacity will in fact increase. So once you've done that, you can see it's way easier to in fact see. I'm going to get rid of these boxes here as they are getting in the way. So the strategy that we're going to do is, as we taught in the first, we're looking for blue, green, yellow, red. What this would mean is when we see blue, green, yellow, red, we are looking for an entry sign. So I'm going to actually put an L here because I want to apply this for leverage trading. Now, if you don't know what leverage trading is, it's basically trading on a platform like Bybit or Femex. It's where you can leverage your money. For example, if you have $1,000, you can go on 5x and trade with $5,000. Of course, it's for more experienced traders, but let's get back into this example here. So what we're going to be doing is looking for the blue, green, yellow, red. In that situation, we're actually going to want to go ahead and long, if I can work this out right now. And then if we want to short, let's put an S here. Well, we're going to be looking for the opposite. We're going to be looking for red, yellow. Of course, I know you can guess what's coming next. Green, and then blue. So if we want to actually go ahead and long something, we're looking for blue, green, yellow, red. If you want to short, I'll put another S here because that's a little bit hard to see. We're going to be looking for red, yellow, green, blue. So let's go over to the chart and take a look at some examples. Just recently, we can see here we've got a blue, green, yellow, and red. Well, when they all cross over and they become apparent that they are on top of each other, you could potentially enter there. Now, there's two ways that you can deal with the exit in this scenario. You can either exit at a price that you're comfortable with. Say the price goes from here, you enter here, it goes up here, that's around an 8% profit, that's fair. Or you can wait until they cross over again. Now, when they cross over again, this could be a longer time frame, but you could end up with more profit. So in this case, 7% profit, but that's when you know that it's a good time to exit. When you're exiting up here, you don't usually know if the market is going to continue or not, as these still stayed on top of each other for quite a while. We've got another example here of a short position just recently in the market. Now, this is on the 4-hour chart. The results will be a lot better on the daily chart, as the moving averages are set for the day, like 8, 13, 21, and 55. So it will be a lot more accurate trading on the daily chart. But you can see here it's pretty much the same. You can still use it on the 4-hour chart. It just will not be as accurate. If we go over here, we can find more examples. Here we can see a short position here. So when we're looking at a short position, we need red, yellow, green, blue. And if we go over here, we've got red, yellow, green, and blue. So we could have entered here, and we could have exited all the way down here when it in fact crossed again, and that would have given us a profit of around 31%. It was over a 12-day period, but that's still a huge 31% profit. So here is another potential entry. There is a long potential here. So we can see if we entered here when we had blue, green, yellow, red, that is a long position. We would have entered around about here, and we would have actually exited about, well, we wouldn't have even have to exit there, to be honest. So we could have still exited. I mean, I guess we would exit here because the blue is no longer on top. So that would be around a 7% profit. But if you did keep that going, you could exit all the way up here when they did actually finally cross, and that would be a 15% profit over a 20-day period. Now, of course, results may vary when you're using this, but it is a really, really good method to use if you did want to use something like Bybit to long or short positions. Now, if you did want to join Bybit, the links will be down below, and you can actually get up to a $90 free bonus by joining using my link below. Not only that, if you did want to join Femex as well, which is another great leverage trading platform, you can join using the link below and actually get, I believe, $115 bonus, which is great. So you can try out these techniques pretty much for free using those bonuses, which is really nice. So the other example here, we've got a long position. We have blue, green, yellow, red. I believe that would have also been an absolutely huge trade, as they didn't even fully, I mean, they kind of crossed there. I believe this is the one I just covered actually. So let's cover this short position here. A potential short position. Now, again, reminding you, short position S, red, yellow, green, blue. It's just the opposite, red, yellow, green, blue for a short position. And we want to go over here, red, yellow, green, blue. So we would enter here, and they didn't actually cross until here. So we would have around a 4% profit, but of course, they started to cross down here. So you could say you had a 7% profit, or you could exit anywhere along the way. Just keep in mind, guys, you don't have to entry. Yes, you should enter when they cross, but exiting, you can exit anywhere up until they cross. I wouldn't keep the trade personally longer than after they cross, as you don't know what the market's going to do. But if you did want to exit earlier, you could potentially exit earlier for a lot more profit. That is definitely a good idea. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I mean, I did teach this strategy literally 2 years ago. So if you have been subscribed to the channel for a while, then you could have already been using this strategy. So if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe to the channel. Not only that, but if you did want to check out the Bitcoin Blueprint sale, where I go over great techniques like this and way more that are way more detailed and just return way more profit. I go over more tactics and details in the Bitcoin Blueprint 2.0 or any of my courses, which will all be linked down below in the description. Highly recommend you joining, especially as there is a sale right now. And if you did want to join, the payment in Bitcoin is like 0.063 Bitcoin as of filming this right now. So if you have been invested in Bitcoin for quite a few years, I'm sure you have a reasonable amount sitting around. So 0.063 Bitcoin to invest to make your trades more profitable is definitely not a bad thing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. We are going to go over the YouTube giveaway winner. So if you did want to win this Trezor storage device, get your comments down below right now, and we'll see who the winner is for this week. So 180 unique comments. That's quite a lot. Well done, guys. Let's see who the winner is. Good luck to everyone. I hope you guys can win. If not, there's always next week, so get your comments down below. A very original comment, of course. You can literally comment anything, so it doesn't matter what you comment. Thanks. Congratulations, MJ Yaqub. I swear every week the giveaway winner has a very complex name, but you're the winner. If you did want to contact me on Twitter or Instagram, or simply email me, I can get in touch and get you your prize. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Remember, blue, green, yellow, red for longing, and red, yellow, green, blue if you want to short. I hope this has been useful. Let me know down in the comments if it has been useful, and I'll see you in the next video.